Going forward, one of the things that Citrix has been working on very, very hard is the Citrix workspace. So the Citrix workspace is an endpoint environment for the end user, really enabling user experience. What we know for a fact is user experience over the last 6-7 years has gone down in the business world. Even though we have more technology and more applications and more ways of connecting, user experience has gone down because it's so hard to find what you want to do, to find the application, to find the content.
Unlike the previous model where you had Windows running on all your endpoints, it was very cumbersome for people to actually manage all of these devices and constantly keep them updated. So you're kind of behind on patching for the OS updates. You're also probably behind on patching the application software that run on those things. Rather than that, if you use virtualization, where you actually bring one master image with your latest OS updates as well as the latest application updates, and you deploy to maybe hundreds and thousands of users from the cloud, the next time there is an update, you just have to go back and update the master image once, and you can easily update all these 1,000 desktops which are running in the cloud through our MCS technology. So it makes updates very easy, so you're always up to date on your Windows instances. So it's kind of less scope for security issues that can occur. And also because it's all running in the cloud, you have better control as an IT system. So all the data that the end users, you can also centralize them in one location. And so you can put on better guardrails around it as well. The intent is like IGEL is making the devices thin client. So most of the data is now residing in the cloud. So you're not actually having these data reside in all of the endpoints. Rather, it's in the cloud. Citrix just announced this service a couple of months ago. It's the new desktop as a service offering. It's a turnkey solution aimed at simplifying the delivery of Windows apps and desktops. You still need a device from which you can access these apps and desktops, and that's where IGEL comes into play. Making the total cost of ownership lower for the customers, that's a huge thing for us. And using the IGEL's thin client software, we can kind of significantly drop the TCO for our customers. And also IGEL's management stack makes it easy to manage all these endpoints, keep track of them, and at the same time giving the best Win10 experience. Either it's the new Win10 single session or the Win10 multi-session.